Hey guys, it's Icy. So today, we're gonna doing sa mga ginawa kong phone case design. So may ginawa pa ako ngayon. 4 ang ginawa ko. 4 siya. So, yung isa, yung pinaka-colorful, ginagamit ko ngayon. Panghuli yan para ma-surprise kayo. So, let's open it. Excited na ako. There we go. I have this phone case design. And I have my S. As that. As line. 3 lines up. And 3 lines. And some purple S. The line is color pink. And all sky blue. That's my favorite. And there, all of pink and yellow circle. It's like a yellow polka dots. Whatever. And this is my colorful polka dots line. And this is so beautiful and colorful, but mas maganda yung isa kasi dito. SJB, don't be shy, because I'm super shy. My one channel is Super Shy Girl Star. And there, I have my BTS phone case design. BTS phone case design, because I love BTS. It's so very cute and handsome. One of my crush over here. And Kim Young-soo. That's my favorite Korean. Hindi nyo siya nakikita. Kasi hindi nyo nakikita. Ayun. So, this ugly faces. Ginawa ko siya kasi wala akong maisip. Kaya, ayun na lang. So, I have this. Meron ditong bulkan. Ito yung pagsabog and have a lava. And I have a bad day and good day. Tapos ito yung bulkan. Tapos pagsabog niya, may water dito. Astig na. Imposibleng mangyari. And I have my one letter S again, but madikit siya, tapos parang may ganun-ganun. Kung makita niyo talaga, magaganda kayo. Pati sa mukha ko. Joke lang. Joke lang. And this is FC, Min's favorite color. My favorite color is pink and sky blue, because that was my favorite color. Yeah, no, it's chocolate. And I have this chocolate. It's not purple and a chocolate one. Whatever. And so, tapos na tayo. Tapos, last one na to. Kasi, diba, sabi ko sa inyo, may colorful pa akong ginawa. Mas maganda pa dito. Ito. Ay, ano ka? Mas maganda pa dito. Yan. Basta mas maganda pa dito. Kasi maganda. Mas maganda siya eh. Hindi ko magbiro. Hindi naman maganda. Grabe. Best. Joker. With joke. So, tara na. Tanggalin natin yung phone case ko. Isipin nyo ha. Madaming colors. Yun. Basta madaming colors. So, dito, pagkakita nyo, ang colorful. Parang meron pa siyang color brown na nakahalo. Pero pagka tinanggal mo yung paper, looks like colorful talaga. So, wala siyang brown. Dahil lang dito sa kulay ng phone case ko is a shocking dark brown. Lagi akong shocking that establish pa more. Mahilig akong mag-establish pag wala na akong naisip. Basta. So, saan? Nakalimutan ko. It looks like very cool. Okay. That. Okay. Try natin guys. Okay. Maayos. That's it. So, kung gusto niyo makita kung kasyang-kasya po yung self, dito niyo tignan. Wait, asa na? Ay, yan. Dyan yung cellphone ko. Ang light, diba? Yan ako nag-video. Hindi niyo makita yung sa mukha ko. That's Carly. I got it from my papa. And I have this sa gilid. And this. So, bye guys. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on YouTube. And comment down below many other videos ideas for us to do. Bye-bye.